Hello, welcome to Tebo's World Recipes. Today we're going to prepare shakshuka. The word shakshuka means a mixture of all. It's originary from Tunisia in northern Africa and is very popular in the northern Africa and the Middle East region. This dish came about when tomatoes were introduced into the region of North Africa. It's a very hearty dish, and normally you're going to find it as a breakfast or dinner, but some places would serve it as lunch as well. It's a very versatile dish, and I'm going to show you my recipe today. The ingredients we're going to need are 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 big yellow onion diced, 1 red bell pepper diced, half a bunch of cilantro chopped. You can substitute the cilantro for parsley. 1 can of 28 ounces of peeled tomatoes, 4 to 5 eggs, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 1 tablespoon of cayenne. This is optional. If you don't like the heat, you can leave it off. 4 garlic cloves minced, and the juice and the zest of a lemon. We're going to start by heating up our olive oil at medium-high heat. Once our olive oil heats up, we're going to add our onion. Once our olive oil is shimmering, we're going to start adding our onions. Now we're going to add our red bell pepper. We're going to keep on cooking until the onions are soft and translucent and our red bell pepper is soft. Once our onions and our peppers are halfway there, we're going to add our garlic. Once our onions and peppers are ready, we're going to start adding our spices. Our paprika, our cumin, our cayenne, which is optional, our lemon zest, and our lemon juice. We're going to make sure to mix everything. What we're making here is some sort of a sofrito. Once all this is ready, we're going to add our tomatoes. As our tomatoes are full peeled tomatoes, we're going to start pushing them down, trying to take them apart. We're going to keep on cooking our tomatoes because what we want is to remove all the water. We want a thick sauce. We're almost there, and at this point we're going to try it out to see if we need to add salt and pepper. Okay. Salt and pepper to taste. As our mixture continues to cook, we're going to add half of our cilantro or parsley. And we're going to mix it. It's been about 15 minutes. Most of the water has evaporated. So now we're going to bring it down to a low heat and we're going to make some wells. After we make our wells, This is where we're going to drop our eggs. Now we're going to cover and we're going to let it cook for about 8 more minutes to fully cook the whites and still have our yolks runny. If you like your yolks a little bit more cooked, leave it on for another 2 to 3 minutes. About halfway point, don't forget to season your eggs. Eight minutes have passed. Our eggs are ready. So now we're going to turn off the heat and we're going to add the rest of our parsley. I also like to give it a touch of a little bit of extra olive oil. Now that our shakshuka is ready, it's time to taste. I have some pita bread to accompany it, but any crusty bread works too. Oh, I like that. Spicy, nice. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, and it helps us a lot. Click subscribe to get notified when new videos are coming. Follow us on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.